everybody doing? I hope you're all doing well and practicing your math. So today we're going to be learning a new math lesson together, 10.5, where we're going to be adding tens and ones using models. Now last week you guys were adding only tens, so 10 plus 20, 20 plus 30. Now this week it's going to get a little bit harder, but I know you can do it, and we're going to be adding tens and ones together. So before we go ahead and get started with our lesson, I'm just going to be putting some 10 base block models up here. And what I want you to do is I want you to look at the models, count them, and try and guess what number it is. Now the first one, we'll do it together. But then the rest, you are going to do it by yourself. So I'll show you the blocks. You're going to guess what number it is. And if you got it right, you can just pat yourself on the back. So the first number is, let's look at it. And now let's count together. So we have 10, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that makes the number 15. Okay, so our first one was 15. Now the next one, again, you are going to be guessing by yourself. I'm not saying anything. So the next number is, all right, now take a look. Start by counting with the 10, so 10, 20, and then count the ones. And now try and guess what number it is. It is number 23. Good job. If you got it right, pat on the back. Now the next one. Try again. Count the tens, and if there are no ones, it's nothing, it's 0. And the number is 10. Good job. Now we have 2 more to guess, all right? So the next one is, again, look at the ones. Try and count the ones. What number is it? It is number 5. Good. Pat on the back. The last one. It's a bigger number. Take a look. Now count the tens. Good job. It is number 40. Way to go. Pat yourself on the back. So now that we've done this little review on tens and ones, what we're going to be doing is I'm going to be showing you how we are adding the tens and ones using the model. So you have to draw, you have to show your work, you have to draw the tens and ones to be able to add the numbers. All right, boys and girls, so here we are going to be doing 2 questions together. So first, again, we are adding tens and ones. So let's start with adding 33 plus 6. So let's see what 33 plus 6 is. So the first thing you are going to do, as I mentioned before, is that you always have to show your work. And the first number you are going to show your work for by drawing is the first number in your equation, which is 33. So what you are going to do is you're going to start by drawing your tens. Now, how many tens am I going to put for the number 33? Let's see. I have 10, 20, and 30. So I have 30 now. But what else do I need? I need my ones. And how many ones do I need? 3, because the number is 33. So 1, 2, and 3. So now I've made the number 33, which is the first number of the equation. Now it's 33 plus 6, so I need to also put the number 6. So I'm going to start by putting down my ones. How many ones do I need to put? 6. So I'm going to put down 6 ones. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So now I need to count them all together to see what 33 plus 6 is. Let's count together. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. So in all, the answer is 39. So 33 plus 36 equals 39. So now we're going to move on and do another question together. Now this might be a little bit more challenging, but again, I know you've got it. So this one is going to be 40 plus 12. So let's see what 40 plus 12 is. Again, the first thing you need to do is show your work. And how do I do that? By first putting the tens and ones for my first number, which is 40. So let's put them together. 10, 20, 30, and 40. Good job. Now the next one is 12. So I again need to put tens and ones showing the number 12. So 10, 11, 12. So now we need to know what 40 plus 12 is by counting my tens and ones in all. So let's count them together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52. So the answer of 40 plus 12 is 52. And again, I made sure to show my work by drawing the tens and ones. Okay, so now I showed you two examples of how we are adding tens and ones using models. So now you are going to be completing the worksheet by yourself, but don't forget, boys and girls, it is very important for you to show your work. On top of the addition equation, make sure to draw the model. So you have to draw the tens of the first number and the tens and the ones of the second number and then add them all together. All right? Good job, boys and girls. Good luck. Do your best. I know you got it. Bye.